No memory space.
I'm filming.
Honey, just okay. Yeah,
Merry Christmas, Megan Grace. Merry Christmas! Santa Claus came to see you.
Babe, turn on all the stuff.
How do I do that? Yeah.
Yeah, why? That's what you're supposed to do. Show her that something's over there.
Look at her.
Looks like Santa Claus brought you.
This one.
Santa Claus brought Megan toys. Oh my goodness.
Next year I'll be ready.
Get it.
Oh, there's more.
She's looking for that
It's too overwhelming for me.
Yeah.
It's like Malcolm and Mason supposed to be how they felt when I came home.
Look at her. Let me get over there. Let me get over there. Wait, your leg.
Some of days, I just see one at a time.
Megan. What are you doing? Oh, here. Honey, your purse. No.
Alright, Merry Christmas.
Get it.